know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Hello guys. So just an update for you, or not update, I haven't even told you yet. Anyway, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do my first giveaway, and I asked below if I should do it at 750 or 1,000, and people said 1,000, so we're gonna do it at 1,000. And one of the things is going to be a Google Nest Mini Black. Still in the box, still sealed. It's not something I've used and opened. I'm not going to use and open it. I was lucky enough to get this, and so I'm going to use it for my giveaway for you guys. And then also, depending on how soon we hit 1,000, if it takes a little bit longer, that's good, because I'd like to add into that, if you win a family t-shirt, which we have available, links down there now, there's t-shirts there, or a hoodie, your choice, but that will be what the winner gets. So a Google Nest Mini, and we'll talk about that more once I hit 1,000, and all the rules, and where you need to comment and all that kind of stuff, and we'll go over all that when we get closer, once we hit it. We're not that far away now, so once we get there and hit it, you'll have a chance for that. The other thing, I got Trip and Tracy and K&R Destinations. You know, K&R did pop them up, and please go and check out their channel. I know I popped Trip and Tracy up before, so definitely go check her channel out too. But check out K&R Destinations. They do a really fun live stream once a week that's really funny. They do great videos. They even accepted my dancing challenge videos, so they're really cool people. You should really go check them out. But they got me a gimbal, and so I got a cooler. I got to clean it up and all that kind of stuff, so we'll do that. But I'm gonna be using the gimbal when I'm out there filming, and I'm using the tripod right now. And I got this one because it has the screw on the bottom, so I can screw it onto this tripod and still use the tripod. So, like I said, I always try to think about using stuff I already have and thinking about that. So thank you so much. I'm gonna get this out and charge it and all that kind of stuff, read the directions, get it all set up. And it's gonna be nice outside today, so I won't need the light or anything like that. And I'll take it and use it, and we'll try to see what kind of cool stuff we can film with it, and show you guys the difference between using a gimbal and just and so you can make a choice. This one, I'll pop a thing up later in it from the Amazon of what this one is, and take a look at it, and I'll probably do a review of the actual device here after a little bit. I want to use it for a little bit and see exactly how I like it and using it and all that stuff. So awesome. Thank you guys, and we'll go put some music on and get to work cleaning that cooler up, you know. Alright guys, so I'm using the I gotta get used to that, using the gimbal. Still gonna figure out how to hook the mic on here and all that stuff, so hopefully the sound's still okay and you guys can still hear me. I can't use it with my case on there, but that's okay, because my phone's already so big that it's at the weight limit. I don't need to add more to it. So hopefully you guys are getting a steadier shot. I almost fell right there, and you guys a steadier shot. I got a cooler right here. We're gonna take it out and clean it, and then you guys will listen to some music and all that kind of stuff, and we'll come back. So I'm gonna set you up over here, and then you guys can listen to some music while I clean up the cooler. See you in a minute.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say
So there you go, guys. I'm still gonna get used to it, and get used to all the modes and stuff like that. But as you can see, I can twirl, twist, up, down. I'm moving the. You can't see behind you, but I'm moving my tripod all around. And I'll tell you, it's kind of the tripod, having the bigger tripod underneath there. It kind of acts like a counterweight at the same time, so it's almost like it's even more it's even more balanced now. Like the legs and the top are balanced, so now just moving that around, and you can see I figured out a way to rig the mic up there, but it makes quite a difference. So go over and see K&R Destinations. Go over and see them. They're the ones, along with Trip and Tracy, that are responsible for the better shots. And you saw it kind of screw up there. I'm gonna leave that in there so you guys can kind of see I'm still learning it, but it does work better. So I will see you guys. I still gotta get used to even I still screw up with stuff. Gotta get used to getting the light in the right direction. So I'm gonna eventually have the light on here. I've just gotta get some male-to-male screws, and that's not. I'll be getting those here next month, and I'll be able to have this rig a little bit different setup even from now. But I've got it set up pretty good right now. So I will see you guys tomorrow for the live stream. Later.